Welcome to Damn Shoes, where style meets sophistication. Today, we're exploring a topic every hardworking woman can relate to: the quest for truly comfortable shoes that can handle long hours of standing without sacrificing style. Whether you're at the office, in retail, teaching, or managing a busy lifestyle, finding the right footwear makes all the difference. The world of comfort footwear has evolved beautifully. No longer confined to bulky or dull designs, modern shoes blend advanced cushioning technology with elegant aesthetics. Each step feels like walking on clouds, yet every pair is refined enough to complement your professional wardrobe. Designers now prioritize both posture support and fashion, understanding that women deserve beauty and relief in equal measure. From subtle arch support to shock-absorbing soles, every element is crafted to enhance comfort. Lightweight materials reduce fatigue, while soft linings and breathable fabrics allow your feet to stay cool through the longest days. It's the kind of innovation that quietly transforms how you move, helping you maintain energy and poise no matter how demanding your routine becomes. Every woman who spends long hours on her feet knows that pain isn't just physical. It can affect focus, confidence, and mood. That's why investing in the right shoes is an act of self-care. When your feet feel supported, your whole body aligns better, and your confidence radiates effortlessly. The right pair doesn't just complete your outfit, it empowers your stride. Imagine gliding through your day without that familiar ache: meetings, errands, or events feeling smoother because your footwear works with you, not against you. The new wave of comfortable shoes proves that luxury can exist in simplicity. The beauty of truly comfortable footwear lies in how it adapts to your day without demanding attention. It quietly supports you through moments of focus, movement, and pause, whether you're walking across office floors, attending meetings, or standing for hours at events. The right shoes make it feel effortless. You no longer have to choose between looking refined and feeling at ease. You can have both. Beautifully balanced, comfortable shoes are also redefining modern femininity. They show that elegance is not about endurance or compromise, but about harmony where comfort and confidence coexist. The soft curves, neutral tones, and smooth materials reflect a quiet sophistication that aligns perfectly with today's lifestyle. Every woman deserves shoes that allow her to move freely while still expressing her personal grace and strength. Ultimately, the shoes you wear become part of your story. They carry you through your ambitions, your busy moments, and your triumphs. Every pair that prioritizes comfort is a small investment in your well-being, a reminder that taking care of yourself begins from the ground up. Step forward each day knowing that comfort and style aren't opposites, but partners in your journey. As you step into each day, remember that your comfort defines your rhythm. Choose shoes that reflect not just your style, but your strength. Let them remind you that every step forward is one of grace, endurance, and purpose. Thank you for watching. For more insights into the latest footwear trends, subscribe and stay updated on the evolving world of comfortable, stylish footwear.